Hi, friends. Everybody online keeps saying the same thing. You need a huge down payment to buy that house. And honestly, that belief stops so many people from even trying because somebody hears 20% and they immediately think, homeownership is impossible. I mean, think about it. On a $400,000 house, a 20% down would be somewhere around $80,000. Most normal families do not have that money sitting in the bank. But here is what many people don't realize. There is actually many and multiple ways that people can buy homes with very little money out of pocket. And I mean, sometimes even with zero money down. Now, that doesn't mean that everybody actually qualifies. And it does not mean that buying is always the right decision. But today, I want to show you several real programs and strategies that many buyers simply don't know exist. Honestly, some of these might surprise people all the time. The secret number one I want to talk to you about is USDA loans. Now, when people hear USDA, they think farm, houses in the middle of nowhere. But honestly, that's one of the biggest misconceptions. Some areas outside Orlando and in Central Florida still qualify for USDA financing, even though they are developed suburban areas. And the big benefit is 100% financing, meaning possibly zero down payment. Now, of course, there are some rules such as income limits, property location requirements, and primary residency occupancy. But this is where buyers get shocked because some areas they are too developed and they will not qualify, but that's not the case. A lot of these areas and houses still qualify. So let me ask you this. Would you live a little farther outside from Orlando if it meant buying with less money out of pocket? Comment below, yes or not. Secret number two, VA loans. Honestly, this is one of the best mortgage programs in the country, and many veterans and active duty buyers don't fully realize how powerful this benefit can be. Possible benefits include zero down payment, lower interest rates, no monthly PMI, flexible qualification. And many people think VA is only for retired military. That's not always true. Active duty, National Guard, reserves, and sometimes surviving spouses might also qualify for it depending on their situation. And here is another misconception. Many people think that once they use a VA loan, that's it forever. And not necessarily. In many cases, VA eligibility can be used again later. And honestly, this benefit has helped many families become homeowners sooner than they thought. Secret number three, down payment assistance. This is where things start getting really interesting because many buyers think, I don't have the down payment money safe, I'm done. But there are assistance programs that might help you with ineligible buyers with the down payment, the closing costs, or both. And some of these programs are actually grants, forgivable second home mortgages, deferred loans, city programs, or county programs. And honestly, many people don't even know that these programs exist until they actually speak with a loan officer. So let me ask you something. If there was a program that actually helped you with the upfront cost, what would stop you from buying a home right now? I'm really genuinely curious. And I really want to know what is it that people are struggling with the most right now. So please drop it in the comments below. I really want to hear from you. Now, secret number four is actually seller concessions. This one is one that buyers completely overlook. Even with low or zero money down, there is still closing costs. Things like the title fees, the taxes, the lender's fees, prepaid items, but, and this is a big but, depending on the market and the negotiation, sometimes the sellers might contribute towards the closing cost, and sometimes buyers can actually negotiate the closing cost completely, rate buy downs, credit, repairs, and honestly, this one can make a huge difference for first time home buyers trying to keep cash on their bank accounts. So tell me, would you rather to keep more money safe in the bank or put more money towards your future home purchase upfront costs? Secret number 5, and I'm actually sharing the biggest one of the secrets with you right now. It's a special bank and credit union programs. This is where many people never even look because local banks, credit unions, and niche lenders offer special financing programs and are not heavily advertised. Sometimes 100% financing, community lending, professional programs, and first time home buyer incentives. Now, the fact also remains that not everybody qualifies, and these programs change constantly. But honestly, many buyers only check one lender and never realize that there might have been other options available. And this is why I say shopping smart matters. Not just rate shopping or not just home purchase price shopping. I call it my guided strategy shopping. Now, here is also another reality check that nobody talks about. Zero down does not actually automatically means it is better because the more money you finance, this usually means that the higher your monthly payment might be also. You need to think about other factors that also kick in on the monthly payments equation, such as the taxes, the insurance, the HOA, and other home maintenance costs. Also know that most of these programs still require a decent credit, stable income, proper documentation, and approval guidelines. So please don't believe the internet fantasy that buying a home is actually easy money. But also don't assume that it is impossible because honestly, many renters are much closer to home ownership than they actually think. So now I want to ask you, honestly tell me, what do you think is the biggest obstacle for a buyer right now on this market? Do you think is the down payment, the monthly payment, the credit, the interest rates, or the fear of buying? Comment below. I actually read the comments personally and I would love to hear your opinion. And if you want to explore your options and around Orlando, Central Florida, or anywhere in Florida, message me directly. If you found this video helpful and believe someone else could benefit, feel free to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching it and have a blessed day.